Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are discussed LVM. What is LVM? How to create LVM? LVM is a logical volume management system where anytime and our partition break and modify our system. Thanks for watching our video. This is my silent solution. Silent here is a Linux preparation class and Red Hat DevOps Cloud any application installation and problem fixed. Here is many video you can see and subscribe my channel. Let's go. First of all, we're say uh, there is a primary partition and the secondary partition is in memory, is it in GB. This disks where create our LVM. Let's go. Must be follow when you create LVM. That says PP means physical partition, PV is a physical volume, volume groups, LV is the logical volumes, F is the file system, and mount must be that is a step by step follow. Let's go. We are first time C or partition and F disk depth like NVMe where again C or disk LSB must be careful because you have your any occurrence this here, then after reboot you will not start your PC OS server. Let's go LSB okay where just is F disk F R and means create. Here is primary partition. Four partition have is it just where has enter and selection where one selection and four default you can 3 or 2 and 4 but I've selected the one. Let's go first storage. First storage is similarly we can last storage sectors. Last storage just were plus 2 GB first. A new partition and 2 GB created. Next and where 2 same primary partition 1 and where selected 2 you can wear system. First sector is just where 2 GB 2 GB. I think our create our first step physical partition is create is done. Where press F, where press W, that is enter press. Let's we go fdx minus L just where C 2 GB 2 GB or Linux but not completed here on LVMs. Let's go where now great. You can select your disk, but this is my disk. Here is PV means physical volume. First of all, create physical partition, then PV physical volume. Second, PV where see again our disk. Here is 2 disks and Vim1 and Vim2. That's we have PV create in Vim1 and Vim2. That's similarly. Yeah, yes, create is successful. PV create is successful. Where PV Display, see, here is PV create is done. Next we are create. Next create busy. Busy means volume groups. Volume groups. Let's go where PV display here. Here is volume groups. Now two disks where mouse are busy one means volume number one. You can 2, 3, 4, 0 it's it. But I have choose my one because my first it is successful. Name. Uh, Next file names. Now create file names. This is done. We can see our busy. Yes, this is done. Let's go. LV get name. Now logical volume. Where logical volume here is get. Here is logical LV get logical volume get. Name is LV1 because we have already this name is one. You can your name the size 2 GB are busy our volume groups. That's it. Just enter here. Created is done. Next, where our mount this extra port, you can extra to you have file formation. You can my so this updated file formation. Busy volume group, logical volume 1 here is mentioned. This you can see this and enter. Automatically done. Now L or 2 GB LVM kit is done. Thanks for watching. Where every day, every moment, try to Linux exam preparation class and your problem is solving here. Thanks for watching.